simplysimplestamping.com. Thank you so much for joining me for today's 2-minute tip. Hey, are you like bombarded with lots of designer series paper and you're looking for a fun tip? How about this? How about a customized travel mug? Guys, very simple to do. I purchased this at Amazon and you can see you just simply create a template. Let me show you what I'm talking about. When you purchase one of these customized travel mugs, it comes with a template already in it. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your favorite designer series paper, that one you've been hoarding, and I know you have, and we're gonna flip it over to the opposite side. We're going to take that template and we are going to line it up on the designer series paper and we're simply going to trace. All right, let's come in and we're gonna cut this out. There we go, traced, cut, ready to go. We now are going to take that template, we're gonna give it a little roll. It's going to slide here into the bottom of the mug. If you have anything here at the bottom, it can just kind of squish. We put the cap back on. And guys, we have got a customized travel mug. How cool is that? And look, you can change this out anytime. It's a lot of fun. So holidays and different things, you can have a different mug. And if you wanted to put a sentiment on here, you would just simply create a sentiment, maybe cut it out with some framelits or something really pretty, and you'd attach that to the designer paper before you slide it into the mug. Ha! What a fun way to use up some designer series paper. Guys, I will have a link to where you can purchase these mugs. If you will head over to simplysimplestamping.com and look for the May 1st, 2018 blog post, I'll have all the information there for you. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in to the 2-minute tip today. I hope you enjoyed that one. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye-bye.